Hi guys, this is Python lecture series 3. In this series, we are going to discuss primitive data types in Python. So what are the basic data types in Python? Integer. So the keyword is int. You know what I mean by integer? It is a whole number without any fractional part. Floating point number, that is float. It is with a fractional part. Example 5.6, 1.8, etc. The next one is complex. The complex number will have two parts, that is real part and imaginary part. The first part is real part. For example, 3 is the real part of the complex number, and 5 which comes with the j, no, the 5 is the imaginary part of the complex number in 3 plus 5j. In complex number also you can do all arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next data type is string. The string data type is a group of characters within double quotes. Of course, you can use single quotes also. The next one is Boolean. So the Boolean values are true and false. So it can have only two possible values, true and false. For example, if you type C is equal to 45, the next line I type print type of C. So if you run this command, so what will be the output? See here, we run this command. So what is the output? You got it, class int. That means the variable is integer data type. Now just I change 45.98. Now I run the same command. Only thing is I changed the value as 45.98. So now you see what is the data type? Class float. Now I'll change the value as, so 3 plus 5j, 3 plus 5j. So now you see what is the output of this command. So class complex. So what do you understand from the last three examples? You can use the type of command to get the data type of the variable. Now we see the example for string. So I told you string should be given within quotes. Okay, so now see when you run this command, so you'll get class string. So what is another primitive data type we have yet to see? That is Boolean. Boolean means what are the values it can have? Do you remember? True or false. Okay, so I'll give true. Okay, capital T you have to use it. Now you see that data type of this variable. So class Boolean, that is keyword is bool, BOOL. So by using type of command, you can get the data type of the variable. And also you should note that for the same variable, you can give different kind of values. For example, you see now you give it like this. So initially I assigned the Boolean type variable value, next integer. So what will happen now? So you see that. So it will take the latest or recent one. That means same variable may be used to store any kind of values, but it will take only the latest one or recent one. You see this code given here. We assigned integer value 45 to variable C, floating point value 65.55 to variable D. we have assigned C plus D to E. Print the value of E and also the type of the variable E. So can you guess the answer for this code? So we see the answer now. So what is the answer for this code? So the answer is 110.55 is the answer, and the data type of the variable E is floating point. How this happens? In an expression, when you assign one variable of integer, the other variable of floating point, the resultant variable, that is E here, will assume automatically the higher level of the data type. That is one variable of integer, the other variable of floating point. So E will assume floating point data type.